Thousands of years before history was written, the Earth was filled with green islands and restless seas. On a small continent that has long vanished from our maps, there stood a magnificent city called Aurelis. Its buildings were carved from glowing white stone, towers rising as if touching the sky, and at night the entire city shimmered with golden crystals known as Sunken. The people of Aurelis were guided by a group known as the Keepers, scientists, star readers, and ancient recorders. At the center of the city stood a massive library holding thousands of scrolls. One of the Keepers, Leora, was a young and brilliant sky observer. One night, Leora saw a red star in the east moving strangely. Its glow grew larger each day. Her calculations revealed that a celestial object was approaching Earth, capable of triggering a massive catastrophe. But most citizens refused to believe. Their city seemed too powerful to fall. That morning, the ground trembled. Birds scattered, water rippled violently. Then they saw it, the sea slowly pulling back. Before rising like a massive blue wall, the wave towered above the tallest buildings. Leora whispered, "This is not the end. One day, this city will be found again." And Aurelis was swallowed by the ocean within minutes. Thousands of years passed. Continents shifted. Yet the legend of Aurelis lived on. Deep under the ocean, explorers discovered strange stone structures, pillars, straight roads, and carvings no one can translate. No one knows for sure whether it is truly Aurelis or just another story lost to time. In the modern era, a deep-sea research team used advanced drones to map the ocean floor. As blue laser light pierced the darkness, they saw something that shouldn't exist. A massive gate shaped like a sun, covered in coral and sand. Its structure was too perfect to be natural. And at its center, the symbol of Aurelis shimmered faintly, the golden Sunken circle. As they cleaned the upper part of the gate, ancient writings appeared, symbols previously undecipherable. But now the patterns began to shift. The symbols glowed, reacting to human presence, as if awakening from 1,000-year sleep. One researcher whispered, "This is no ordinary gate. It's a mechanism." Suddenly, the seafloor trembled. The massive gate shifted, releasing a deep rumble from the Earth's core. From the darkness inside, a long corridor appeared, glowing with soft golden light, the same glow as Sunken crystals. It felt as if the city was still alive. They entered a colossal chamber beneath a towering dome. At its center stood a strange spherical machine surrounded by crystal pillars. It pulsed gently, like a living heart. A beam of light formed into the figure of Leora from thousands of years ago. Her message was simple: "If you see this, Aurelis is not done." Beyond that chamber, they finally saw it. Aurelis, the lost city, standing perfectly preserved on the ocean floor, protected by a massive dome of shimmering energy. Slowly, the dome began to crack, not from damage, but from activation. The city was waiting to rise again. As the explorers stood before the slowly awakening city, they understood one thing. This discovery was not only about the past, but about the future of mankind. Golden Sunken light filled the chamber, and a soft hum echoed from afar like the heartbeat of a civilization returning. Aurelis did not sink to die. It sank to wait until the world was ready. And now, the door to a new civilization has opened.